Hey, this is Michael. Welcome back to me and Paul's channel, The Virtual Investor. In this video, we're going to just show you a quick tutorial on how to use Zillow. And specifically, if you have a house for sale and you have the MLS number, how you could use the MLS number, dump it into Zillow, and quickly find the property that you're looking for. So this is a screen share here of the city of Waco, Texas, and has all basically the MSA of it and all the properties available for sale. And if you have a specific MLS number, I already have it copied here, so I don't have to retype it in. All you do here is go to More. And then when that comes down, you want to scroll down towards the bottom. There's keywords, and in these keywords you could put MLS number and other things, but for this purposes, let's just copy the MLS number that we have, apply, and boom, there's our property listing that we want to look at. And here's just a quick and easy way. If you have an MLS number for a certain property that you want to look up on Zillow, write that number down, type it in, or copy and paste it in, and that's a quick way to find the property you're looking for on Zillow if you don't remember the address. Hope this video is helpful. We got a lot of other Zillow how-to videos on our channel, so feel free to type in the questions you have, and that video should pop up and help you out with your house hunting and searching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy to address them as well. Thanks, and have a great day, and happy hunting house.